Still hitting boost post and hoping for the best? In 2025, that's just burning your budget. If you're a business owner or marketer struggling with Facebook ads, this video is your shortcut to real results. We've scoured Fiverr to find the top 5 Facebook ads experts you can hire right now. People who turn ad spend into leads, sales, and growth. These pros know the algorithms, the strategies, and how to make your budget work harder than ever. Ready to level up? Let's dive into the experts who can transform your business this year. Take notes. Your shortcut to Facebook ads success starts now. Number 5 is Boris A., a Fiverr pro and a true Facebook and Instagram ads powerhouse. With over 6 years experience and 1,000 plus clients, Boris has seen every trend and algorithm shift. He handles everything: audience research, killer ad copy, retargeting funnels, and ongoing optimization. Clients rave about his results. One saw a 5x return on ad spend in just a month. Boris offers flexible packages, from one-time setups to full monthly management. He's all about long-term growth and measurable results. If you want a reliable expert to run your entire Facebook ad strategy, Boris is your guy. Check his Fiverr profile in the description to see his impressive portfolio. He's the safe bet that delivers big. Don't miss out on this all-rounder. Boris A. is the real deal. At number 4, meet Alex T., the multi-platform master. Alex doesn't just do Facebook, he's a pro at Instagram and TikTok too, building unified campaigns that dominate across all three. He crafts viral video content tailored to each platform, making your brand impossible to ignore. His process: deep brand research, custom audiences, and high-energy creatives designed for mobile. One client dropped lead costs by 70% and had their biggest launch ever after Alex's TikTok strategy went viral. If you're targeting younger audiences or want to be everywhere your customers are, Alex is your creative and analytical secret weapon. He's perfect for fashion, beauty, fitness, or any brand that wants to set trends, not just follow them. Alex is a Fiverr pro, so you know you're getting top-tier quality. For a dominant multi-platform presence, Alex T. is a game-changer. His portfolio is a masterclass in modern advertising. Check the link below. Don't just run ads, run the show. Alex T. is your ticket. Number 3 is Sadheen, the e-commerce specialist. If you sell physical products online, this is your guy. With 7 years experience and $5 million plus in managed ad spend, Sadheen knows how to scale stores on Shopify, WooCommerce, and more. He's a master of dynamic product ads, retargeting, and building systems for repeat customers. One jewelry store went from barely breaking even to 10x ROAs and $50K/month in just 2 months. Sadheen's data-driven approach means you always know what's working and what's next. He treats your budget like his own and delivers transparent, detailed reports. If your e-commerce growth has stalled, Sadheen can break through that wall. He's a must-see for any online store ready to scale profitably. Check his Fiverr profile in the description. For e-commerce, Sadheen is the specialist you need. Don't hesitate, he's next level. At number 2, meet Joe, the lead generation king. If you need appointments, calls, or high-value clients, think real estate, coaching, consulting. Joe's your expert. With a decade of experience, he crafts irresistible offers and high-converting landing pages that fill your pipeline. One real estate agent got 50 qualified leads and closed 2 deals in 60 days, life-changing results. Joe focuses on quality over quantity, using smart targeting to deliver leads who are ready to buy. He takes the stress out of lead gen so you can focus on closing deals. If your business depends on a steady stream of clients, Joe is your go-to. His Fiverr profile is linked below. Don't waste time on junk leads, get the real thing. Joe turns likes into leads every time. And at number 1, the ultimate strategist, Rahul W. With 12 years experience and $10 million plus in managed ad spend, Rahul is a top-rated seller on Fiverr. He's worked with global brands and small businesses alike, bringing elite strategy to every client. Rahul takes a holistic approach. He learns your goals, margins, and customer journey, then builds a custom ad strategy for real growth. One SaaS client doubled their monthly recurring revenue in 3 months after Rahul restructured their campaigns. He's an expert at scaling, taking campaigns from $100 to $10,000 a day while keeping them profitable. Hiring Rahul is like getting a world-class CMO for a fraction of the price. If you're serious about growth, Rahul is the clear choice. He offers everything from strategy sessions to full campaign management. See his Fiverr profile in the description. For next-level results in 2025, Rahul W. is the expert to call. Don't settle, work with the best. Rahul is your growth engine. There you have it, the top 5 Facebook ads experts on Fiverr for 2025. Whether you need an all-rounder, a multi-platform master, an e-commerce specialist, a lead gen king, or the ultimate strategist, your next breakthrough is just one click away. Don't waste another dollar on underperforming campaigns. These pros are ready to help you scale and dominate. Check the description for direct links to each expert's profile. Found this helpful? Like, subscribe, and comment with your experiences or recommendations. Your next big win on Facebook ads starts now. Thanks for watching.